Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Sajjad's Academy. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications on my latest videos. Thank you. In my previous video, I had started hire purchase system from financial accounting. I had taken one problem in that the interest rate was included in the installment. Now today I am going to take up one more problem but on the different concept where interest is not included in the installment. In this like when we have such type of condition, how are we going to calculate interest as well as the principal amount? Now we are going to see that. Now you can see here we have a problem which reads out on 1st of Jan 2015, Mr. Ramesh purchased an asset from Suraj and Company Limited on hire purchase basis, and the cash price of the asset being rupees 4,000, payable 1,000 on signing the agreement. So the cash price of the asset is 4,000 and 1,000 is the signing agreement amount, that is, it is paid in advance, and the balance in 3 annual installments of rupees 1,000 each on 31st December every year. That is, every year the balance is paid in three equal installments, like is paid in 3 installments of rupees 1,000 and is paid on the 31st December every year. In addition to the above, interest at 5% per annum is also payable to the vendors on the unpaid balance of cash price, and along with this, on the unpaid cash balance 5% rate of interest is charged. So what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the amount of interest and installment. Now let us calculate the interest and the principal amount. So this is the heading that we have for that, and this is the table for calculation of interest and the installment amount. Here we have the cash price of how much? 4,000. Cash price is equal to 4,000 rupees, right? Now if we see from the problem, it is given on 1st of Jan 2015 they enter into an agreement, and how much is paid as advance is 1,000. That is, Ramesh is paying 1,000 as advance to Suraj, right? So he is paying how much? 1,000 advance. So there is no interest on that. Then principal amount is how much? It is 1,000. As we know the balance of cash price, 4,000 is the total cash price of the asset, right? But he has paid 1,000 as advance. So what is the balance? It is 4,000 minus 1,000 is how much? It is 3,000, right? Then the first installment will be paid on the end, at the end of the year, that is 31st 12 2015. He is going to pay first installment, that is how much? 1,000 rupees. Fine. But we have to make it sure, like here, the interest amount is not paid in the installment. Fine. So we are going to first calculate the interest on the balance cash price, and then we are going to add that to the installment which is paid at the end of the year. Alright. Now if we see the interest amount here is how much? It is 5%. Interest is 5% on the balance. Balance is how much? It is 3,000, right? 3,000 into 5%. 5% is 0.05. It is how much? It is 150. So we are going to take interest amount here 150, right? When 150 is interest amount, but it is not included in the installment, that is, we are going to add 150 rupees to the installment amount. It is 1,000 rupees here, but when we add 150 rupees, it will become how much? 1,150. And installment will remain same. It is how much? It is 1,000 here. And what is the balance here now? The balance is 2,000 now, right? Now the second installment he is going to pay on 31st 12 2016, right? Now what is the interest amount? Here it is 5% on 2000 rupees, that is equal to how much? It is 100 rupees. Fine. If it is 100 rupees, then when we include this in the installment amount, installment is 1000, so 1000 plus 100 is 1100. Fine, clear? Right. And then we have here 1100. Fine, 1100, and here the installment will remain same. Oh, sorry, principal amount will remain same. How much is that? 1000 rupees, right? Now the next installment he is going to pay on 31st 12 2017, right? How much would be the interest amount? Interest amount will be 5% on now here the balance is 2000 minus 1000 is how much? It is 1000, right? So on this 1000 he is going to pay 5% of interest. 5% of 1000 is how much? It is 50 rupees, and then the installment is how much? It is 1050, and the principal amount will remain same. It is how much? It is 1000, right? Now we are going to add one more row below. We'll calculate the total amounts. Now if we add the total installment he is going to pay along with the advance is how much? It is 4300. If we add it up, it is how much? 4300. Then interest how much he is paying? 150, 100 and 50 is how much? It is 300. And this is how much? This is 4000, right? And here there won't be any balance now. Fine. So this 4000 principal amount plus 300 rupees of interest is equal to the total installment he is going to pay, that is 4300 rupees. So this was the case when interest amount is not included in the installment. When we had taken the earlier problem, there the interest amount was included in the installment amount. Thank you so much for watching this video.